So today we do a new GMP Detox session, a little bit similar like Fun with Flex. We will do today something with Fun with AI. I'm sharing my screen, looking on Germany. We also could use Copilot. We'll start with Google Germany and with a simple question, what is an audit trail? And you see here the answer. An audit trail is a detailed chronological record of activities and changes. So it says of activities and changes, and it's giving then some information. Usually that's quite very good nowadays, that they also give the source of the information with it. Here it's the audit trail from the glossary from that's very often from the NICT. Yes, okay. So it matters also on the quality of your question. So let's say, what is an audit trail in pharma? We do it a little bit stupid. In the pharmaceutical industry, an audit trail is a critical tool for ensuring data integrity, blah, 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 who, what, when, why. Numerous regulatory bodies, including the FDA and EMA, have strict guidelines for audit trails in the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, thank you, Germany. Implementation of an audit trail, the identification. What is that? I don't know the sources. Okay, let's do something else. Also, is the US-FDA and EMA audit trail different? Let's see what Germany is saying. Yes, there are some differences. Part 11 requires for all action. Annex 11 focus on changes and deletion of electronic records. That's cool. Okay, what data should be audit trail? Critical system access and activities. Security events, data creation. Okay, let's start to ask, should the data audit trail cover CPPs and CQAs? I would not agree that an audit trail, in general, yes, but security events, or is that a security trail? Okay, let's see what he's saying. Yes, data audit trail should cover critical process parameters and quality attributes. Okay, can CQAs changed by operators against the marketing authorization? No. So why should CQAs be audit trailed if nobody should or can change them? That will be interesting. A little bit fun with AI, right? While CQAs are not directly changed by operators, the data related to CQAs, such as test results, should be rigorously audit trailed. This is crucial for several reasons. Wouldn't it be better to secure such data instead of having an audit trail to detect that security is not well defined or implemented? To protect sensitive data, here's why both security are crucial. Detecting unauthorized access. Regarding unauthorized access. Wouldn't it be good? Germany can also work with typing errors. Wouldn't it be good to call such an trail as security trail and not as audit trail as for GMP data like QA and CPP? This is an excellent observation. Yes, I know that, but the question is good. While the term audit trail is commonly used to refer to a record of system activities, it is important to distinguish between different types of trails. Germany is quite very clever, but basically it confirms what you are saying. I'm not sure. So we have the security event audit trail. And as a third category, we might have an event trail for user activities, right? That's a great idea. Yeah, you're telling me what I'm writing. An event trail can provide a more granular approach to tracking different types of which data should be reviewed for the audit trail review. A data audit trail, B security trail, and C event trail. The correct answer would be data audit trail as part of the product quality review, security trail during internal audit, security audits, and event trails are part of the normal batch record review. Let's see what Germany is saying. A primary focus should be on the data audit trail. You are right, Germany. Cool. So verified data integrity, such as CQAs and CPPs. Oh, okay. Very interesting. What should we ask? This kind of audit trail review, should it be done manually by a person or by an automated system? Combination, manual review, hybrid approach. I'm not sure. The manual review is part of the batch record review or of review and approval of a record, and the automated should be the preference. Let's ask Germany. Is the so-called exception report by PICS P-I-041 identical with the automated approach? Does it make sense? However, Germany does understand what makes sense and what is nonsense. It's not intended to a fully automated approach. While automation can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of data integrity reviews, it cannot completely replace human judgment and oversight. No, I'm not saying the final conclusion, the decision-making process, the exception report created by an AI or an normal software coding algorithm should be the way in giving the basis for the quality decision, but it will not do the quality decision by itself. That was very interesting, wasn't it? Fun with AI. But I was asking very dedicated questions. Let's go to the biggest competitor, to Copilot. I was already saying an audit trail is a detailed chronological order that traces the sequence of activities. Okay, let's see what he's now saying. Is there a difference between an audit trail in CGMP and GMP? CGMP, US-FDA, GMP, let's write EMA, GMP. Searching. Oh, oh, hello, my friend. CGMP, Part 11, UGMP, Annex 11. I'm impressed. Copilot, you are intelligent. Artificial, but intelligent. Okay, cool. Okay. Which data audit trail, US or EMA, does require also the initial entry? Should say the US one. On the other hand, also requires that the initial entry, no, that's not correct. Also requires that the initial entry be recorded and documented, but it does not explicitly require the initial entry to be included in the audit trail. Yeah, for sure we must. That was also 100 years ago we recorded the initial entry, but not as an audit trail. Don't mix that up. Yeah, different categories of audit trails. Does it make sense? Yes, user activity, that's cool. Transaction, system level, okay, he's giving us 5. Okay. Oh, the operational audit trail, how you call it. Does it contain the recording of CPPs and Uppsala and CQA? Question mark. Yes, an operational audit trail includes a recording of. And what is this source here? pqri.org.wordpress WP content uploads. How to identify? Oh, how to identify? Ah, I know that presentation. That was pretty cool by the US-FDA. There's a figure in it. This one, I use that also in trainings. CQAs are function of CPP1, CPP2, CPP3, and the critical material attributes. I love mathematics. Was my favorite in school. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense. Ah, that would be a data flow diagram. You do not see that very often with the CPPs. Mixing time, mixing speed, mixing time, mixing speed. Okay, makes sense. And they have some examples in it. Okay, so that was interesting. However, I think it's important that you ask the right questions. If you ask stupid questions, then let's try it. Ask some stupid questions. Is GAMP defining audit trails in detail, and is GAMP an agency? Let's see what happens. GAMP is not a regulatory agency. Oh, that's cool. does provide detailed guidance on audit trails, requirements for audit trails, GMP 5, outlines the necessary components of an audit trail. I don't think so. Okay. But here you see Part 11 and Annex 11. Oh, is 21 CFR Part 11. Computer system validation guideline, or is it only about electronic records and electronic signatures? Okay. So where is in CGMP, computer system validation required, referenced? It should say Part 211.68. Isn't it in 21 CFR Part 211.68? Fine. You're absolutely right. Great. Okay, funny. Okay. But the question was, the answer was not coming from there. Okay. Last question for today. Let's say, do you know the GMP Detox YouTube session for pharma? Why not? Yeah, some. Oh, yes. Show my picture. Oh, thank you so much. Do you know? Here are some GMP session videos. Master batch records. Yeah, that was a great one. Why 3 batches for process validation? Yes, namaste. This is written for that. Okay, okay. Is it a good idea to subscribe to the YouTube channel GMP Detox if I am working in the regulated industry? Now I will say no. They have fun with flags. Yes, it's definitely a good idea. So feel free to subscribe to the channel. I hope you had some fun today, and I let you go. Have a great week or weekend whenever you watch that movie. I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.